Hello students, how are you? Myself Krishna Pancholi. I am your computer teacher. Standard 2nd, lesson number 3, keyboard. In previous video we learned alphabet key, number key, function key. In that first one we learned alphabet key, second number key, third function key, fourth enter key, fifth spacebar key, sixth backspace key. Now today we learn another keys. First one is delete key. When you press the delete key, it erases the character on the right of the cursor. Right of the cursor, erase the character. Which one key use? Delete key. For example, you type the wrong spelling of printer, printer printer as printer. So if you want to erase O, so cursor is in T and press delete key, so erase O. All of you clear? Delete key. Next one is caps lock key. When caps lock key is on, you see a light on the right side of the keyboard. All the alphabet you type in capital or uppercase. All the alphabet you appear in capital or uppercase. Caps lock key is on, you see a light on the right hand side of the keyboard. All the alphabets you type appear in capital or uppercase. For example, if you want to type word computer in small letter, it will appear on the uppercase or capital letter. When you press the caps lock key is again, you will find the light disappear. Now on typing the alphabets, they will appear in small or lower case. For example, if you type machine, then it will appear as machine on a monitor. Next, number lock key. In case you wish to type number using numeric keypad on the right side of the keyboard, press num lock key and light will appear on the top right corner side of the keyboard. This shows that you can now use numeric keypad. In keyboard right hand side numeric keypad if you want to use, so firstly you can press num lock key. Shift key. The shift key is used in combination with other keys. There are two shift key on the keyboard. One is on the left side of the keyboard and another is the right side of the keyboard. It is used when you want to type the upper symbol on the keyboard. Here, this one is upper symbol. This upper symbol, if you want to write, so you can use shift key. For example, if you want to type a symbol at the rate, then press shift key along with the 2. So at the rate coming in your screen. Shift key is also used to make a letter capital on your computer. For example, I want to write A, then press the hold shift key while you are pressing A key. The capital A appear on your monitor. Function. Functions are found on the right side of the alphabet key. These keys are used when you write a sentences on a paragraph. For example, full stop is used at the end of each sentences. Arrow key. There are 4 arrow keys on the keyboard to move the cursor left, right, top and down. Arrow make on key show the direction in which the cursor move. Arrow key are also called cursor control key. Underline student this line. Arrow key are also called cursor control key. Computer ethics. Always press the keys on the keyboard gently. Do not sit too close to monitor. Now you know there are 26 alphabet key 10 number key and 12 function key on keyboard. Enter key takes the cursor to the next line. Spacebar, insert blank space between word. Backspace key and delete key help you in erasing your mistake on the screen. Number key is used to numeric keypad. Numlock key is used to numeric keypad. There are two shift key on keyboard. Arrow key are also called cursor control key. Key terms. Cursor is a small blinking line on the monitor is a computer. A small blinking line on the monitor of the computer is called cursor. Backspace key erase the character typed on the left side of the cursor. Delete key erase the character typed on the right side of the cursor. Left side of the cursor if you want to erase the character, so which one key? Use backspace key. And right side of the cursor if you want to erase the character, so delete key. Caps lock key, when on you can type capital alphabets. Numlock key, when on you can type number using numeric keypad. Shift key, when press. Shift key when press. Cursor or typed letter to appear in uppercase. The upper symbol of the numeric key or symbol key are also displayed. It's help. Student understand keyboard keys. Thank you for watching this video.